Trying to show more nature in the vlog today. I'm going to a lake or something. Let's check out this tree. I want to climb it, kind of, but I thought that I probably could, but I'm kind of lazy. So I guess I'm going to put my camera up safe in my bag, dry, and I'm gonna ride the rest of the way there. So I'll see you when I get there. So I was just riding along, and then of course I spotted the mushrooms, but look what else is happening around here. Kinda weird. There's something over there. Go check it out. Let's check out this though. Maybe a grave or something. Spooky. Very labyrinth-like. What is this? Oh, it's a little fort or something. Cool. That sick house. The labyrinth in front of it. Oh, wow. No idea what that is. Ruins. These trees are like basically giant bushes. Like a normal bush, it's just like a small. What? This is a big ass lake that looks like the freaking ocean, my guys. Wow. I'm so confused. Good morning, Nature Vlog, New Orleans. I had no idea what to do today, so I'm just going to the botanical gardens because I'm pretty tired. So let's go do that. And my camera battery's actually dead, so let's see if what I can do. You know. All right. So here we are. Pretty cool. Awesome. Whatever this is. songbird. There's a lot of Bioshock things that remind me of Bioshock in New Orleans. Wow, you guys, they got all the plants here and some fossils of the plants too, in case we didn't, you can't believe they exist. But there's like a lot of sick ass fossils in here too. It's very the vibe, guys. So this is gonna be like a rainforest, fake rainforest. But it's not raining in here. Oh my. That big old fish. This is a piranha? Hey. Fungi. Check out this pond. Wow. This is beautiful. Sorry if it's like super boring, but this is like what I'm into. I'd watch videos of people going to a garden. Look at these lily pads. Like, those are like real, just things that grow, and they're that big, and they're just on the water. Wow, that's crazy. So beautiful here. It's only $10. Most of the nature things I've been doing is free, but this one is $10, but I get it. Goes to like to upkeep this place and stuff. So it's what we like to see, you know. Got like a little Japanese part. Sweet. This is They have a deer scare. If you're a cosplayer, this is where you would go in New Orleans to take some sick cosplay pictures. Go down there in a sec. There's a whole train thing happening. Actually filming me ending this for once. Wow. But oh, behind me is Storyland. We'll get to that. Don't worry. So hope you liked this week's vlog. I'm gonna start working hard, and I will see you guys next week. Peace out. Stay tuned.